Hello, welcome once again. Second chapter, defining the research problem. In the last lecture, we have seen what is a research and all the basic factors related with research. Here, we'll be looking for how to define a research problem. So when we start thinking about a research problem, then we may come across two different factors. One is unsolved problem, the second is a solved problem. In an unsolved problem, we have lot many problems existing in the world. The problem which is not solved, not discovered, not found any facts related to that, we can choose any of these and start working on it as our new research problem. The second type is a problem which is solved by somebody. The problem already solved means solution already exists. If we want to work on such a problem, then we have to think about the solutions exist on that particular problem. If a solution already available, already solved, if it is worth, then we will start thinking about its improvement. If it is not satisfactory, then it's very easier to go on improving it. So we can improve the problem in terms of many factors related to that particular product or that particular topic that may differ in time, performance, space required, etc. Second is a process need to be optimized. A already solved problem may have an input as well as output. In the input, the data is provided, whereas after some treatment, we'll get output. So from input to output, some method, some treatment is processed, implemented, which is known as a procedure or a method with which we can achieve the final solution. But sometimes people may find the process, the method is tedious, complicated, or very difficult to implement in a daily life. So what we need to do is, for input and solved output, we just need to find a process which is very optimized, worth to implement in a daily life. So this can also be considered as a research problem and it will work very nicely. Next is a cost-effective method. A cost-effective method is the process, the method. If it is very costly, it means whenever we want to implement a process method, we need to use a costlier equipments. So can we find a easier, a very cost-effective method? It means if we can use local products, local available entities for implementing it, then it will be very easier to find a solution in a daily life. And ultimately, the final cost of the product will also be decreased. Next is better accuracy. Sometimes the problem is solved and the problem what is solved may not have a better accuracy. So we can work on improving the accuracy of that particular solution will be a great help to the society. Then a better performance. Already solved problem, the process method may not be performing well if it is taking lots of time for implementation, sometimes days, even weeks. So this process can be reduced, can be optimized to work with a better performance, and the result can be achieved in some desired time, in a minimum time. So these are the facts which we can consider as a research problem in the existing solution. Selecting a problem has to follow some particular steps. First is read, read, and read. Lots of reading will help you to understand a research problem. If we keep on reading, we'll understand different dimensions, views related to the problem, will help to understand, analyze the topics, the important facts of the research problem. After a lot of reading, if you understood that this can be a research problem or research topic, you can get insight of that by documenting it properly in an Excel sheet and note down the important facts related to that. Sometimes people may not find a good idea, good topic, good problem after reading novels and etc., the books and etc. So they may go to their research supervisor or a guide to find out a research topic. He or she may provide you a lot of different ideas which can help you to choose a research topic. As he is well experienced in a research area, he may provide you the topic which may be your liking. Once you get some topic or once you get some idea after reading, you can discuss that idea to your colleague so that he or she may provide a good insight on that, or some good feedback, or some better suggestion related to that topic will help you a lot to finalizing a product or a problem statement or a research problem. So these things will definitely help you to finalize the topic. But there is one more and very important factor which is related with the product and engineering based problem statements. So whenever you select a topic, you have to go and get a market survey. So this market survey will provide you whether the existing solution of that problem is available in the market or not. If yes, then whether it is satisfactory, whether it is accepted by the society or not. If yes, it is accepted by the society, then you don't need to think much about it because it is already solved. But if no, the product is not satisfactory or not accepted, then you got a chance to improve the product. So if you go and get a market survey, that will help you to finalize the topic, and you will also get lot many factors which can be used for improvement of the product. So these are the few things you need to follow for selecting a problem. Then following points must be considered for choosing a project, problem statement, or defining a particular topic. Select a problem statement which is not done by many people. If many people have already done the project, then they must have improved it a lot, and working on that project will be required a lot much efforts. So to avoiding that such a project or such a topic will help you. Avoid a controversial subject. So if already the subject is in trouble, so don't go with that. Don't get involved yourself into it. Too narrow or too vague problem should be avoided. If you choose a very pinpointed topic, then you don't get a chance to move here and there or to work in detail into that. You just need to work only the point what you have decided. So decide a topic which is where you can uh, go here and there. You can change some facts related to that. Even you should not select a topic which is generalized, because if you select a generalized topic, you need to work a lot on a literature survey, and then again you need to select a very specific topic. It takes a lots of time. A time for research will be reduced, and you will waste your time in just reading the topic, which is very large in size. Then you should select a feasible topic which can be implemented on an existing material. If you go and search a topic where the problem, data set, or the material which is required for implementation of that project is not accessible, not easily available, not related to you, not available in the laboratory, then it will take a lots of time, efforts, and uh, money just to manage all the equipments. So select a topic which is feasible to implement with the existing material, existing equipment. Necessity of defining the problem. A problem clearly stated is a problem half solved. This statement will be very much helpful for explaining the research problem properly. A problem which is clearly stated, we can state the problem only if we understood it properly. If we understood it properly, then we can state it properly. It means we have very nicely understood, we have gone through all the facts and factors related to the topic, all the dimensions of that. It means we know what are the limitations, drawbacks, and problems into that, and what are the advantages, what are the best things related to that topic. So we know all the if and else and everything related to that particular topic. So it is easier to solve that particular topic, will take very few time for designing and implementation of that particular topic. So the techniques involved in defining a problem. Once you thought that this can be a particular topic on which you would like to work, that then you need to define a statement of the problem in a somewhat generalized way, so that you will get a chance to work on the sub-related topics of the topic what you have defined. So this is a kind of a small problem statement which help you for extending or enhancing it. The second stage, once you understand the particular problem statement, then you need to go into it and find out the nature of the problem, what kind of the problem is it a explanation based problem, or it is an analytical problem, it is qualitative or quantitative, or uh, simulation based problem, or or you need to go on a site and solve it, what kind of problem it is. So you need to think on it and understand which kind of problem it is. So with this, you need to go and get a survey of the problem statement. Go to the library, find out the books related to that, get all the books, the journals, which will help you to understand a problem in detail. So you can find out, you can read lot many details on a journal or a book, so that you can know that which are the problems, or which are the somewhat related problems are already solved. If problem is already solved, then you can understand which kind of methods they have used, which process they have followed for solving it. You note down all the details related to almost all the solved problems related to your topic, and note down their findings also. Then developing ideas through discussion. Once now what you have a problem statement, you know what kind of problem it is, then you also understood the already solved problem has different documentation, you accounted it, now you discuss this particular details with your colleague or your research supervisor. So he will help you or he will provide you some of the different ideas or angles with which you can design your own idea. You can invent your own idea. You can find out new methods of solving it. Note down it because all those will help you for further implementation. After doing all these 4 points, you can proceed for refreshing your research problem. Because in the second stage, you understood a problem statement. Third stage, you have gone through a literature survey. And in the fourth stage, you have found out your own idea. Now you need to record, you need to account your own idea for refreshing the research problem. And this will be a better document which will help you for further implementation. Now we understood almost all the points related to the research topic, how to write a research topic, how to go through it, how to find out the literature survey, and then refreshing the problem statement. Now after completion of today's chapter, I want you to write an assignment. Write or rewrite your problem statement of your own research topic. Thank you.